In an industry where safety and environmental responsibility are paramount, ensuring pipeline compliance with CSA Z-662 isn't just a checkbox, it's a critical necessity. That's what we're exploring today. What happens when a pipeline needs to be brought back into service, and how new tools like the TPA EA Reporting Hub are transforming the way engineering assessments, or EA reports, are done. We'll walk through two very different case studies, explore the workflow behind an EA report, and unpack how AI is making the process smarter and faster. Let's start with the first case, a pipeline that's been offline since 2008. It used to carry sour natural gas, and now the plan is to bring it back for sweet natural gas under new ownership. This isn't a routine restart. The engineering assessment had to dive deep into its operating history, coding condition, corrosion risks, and pressure containment. The internal corrosion risk? Moderate. They expect some degradation may have already occurred before the line was shut down. On the external side, cathodic protection was maintained, and the coating held up well, which is good news. But still, it required a full hydrostatic pressure test at 1.25 times the new MAOP, plus a prevention plan for corrosion moving forward. Despite being out of service for years, the analysis showed that, if well managed, this line could remain serviceable for over 40 years. Now let's shift to the second case. This one was a routine reactivation. Why? Because it was a newer pipeline, licensed in 2019, built, tested, and then properly discontinued in 2020. No product had ever flowed through it. Because the intended service matches the original design, dehydrated produced gas, and because there's been virtually no exposure, the corrosion risk was deemed very low. No new hydro test was needed. The original test results were still valid. And there's even a contingency plan in place for wet gas service if that ever becomes necessary. These two cases show the spectrum of complexity in EA reporting, and that's where the TPA EA Reporting Hub comes in. So what is it? It's an online platform designed to make the engineering assessment process more efficient, more accurate, and more aligned with CSA Z-662. Whether it's routine or non-routine, a license transfer, or a full-scale reactivation, the hub helps create regulator-ready EA reports fast. How? Through two core innovations. First, integration with TRIAGE by AbaData, Western Canada's leading hazard classification system. TRIAGE uses regionally validated risk data, including historical pipeline failures, operational context, and soil corrosivity trends, to inform every assessment. Second, AI-enhanced workflow. Here's where it gets really interesting. The TPA EA Reporting Hub includes a custom-trained large language model based on over 250 historical EA reports. That model helps identify patterns, analyze risk factors, and even assist in report generation. So now, instead of writing every report from scratch, the system leverages what it's learned from hundreds of past examples to improve consistency, highlight overlooked risks, and accelerate turnaround time. The result? Faster regulator-aligned assessments, consistent logic based on CSA Z-662, actionable mitigation guidance tied to validated regional risk, and as AI continues to evolve, we may see even greater breakthroughs. Imagine real-time hazard modeling, instant compliance cross-checks, predictive corrosion forecasting. The question is no longer, can we do EA reports better? The question is, how far can we go? So whether you're reactivating a sour gas line, evaluating a never-used asset, or acquiring a portfolio of pipeline licenses, the TPA EA Reporting Hub is built to support you. Smarter, faster, and grounded in decades of engineering knowledge. Thanks for joining us for another deep dive on the Trusted Pipeline Advisor podcast.